Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to increase or decrease or another word, if you want to make the word larger or smaller in the Microsoft Edge, then this video is for you. So you can follow this two method, that is you can hold your control key on your keyboard and you can find a mouse scroller at the middle of your mouse. You can scroll your mouse at the forward and it will actually increase your size. Here you can see the ratio here, that how much it has zoomed. Actually this is the zoom in or zoom out feature, so you can scroll that wheel reverse for zoom it out. You can zoom out to total 25% at the max, and you can zoom in total in 500 in max, and you can see it is literally so big. So and the 100% is minimal or the default, you can say. Or other thing you can do is simply click on this three dot button at the top right corner, and from here you can find the zoom option with the plus and minus icon. So you guessed it right, that the plus button actually help you to zoom in the window here, and the minus button will actually help you to zoom out the window, just like this. Also you can make it 100% clear, so it is the default. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.